In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a complete advertising video, also known as jingle, for your business using my phone, and all the software I use are completely free. Let me play the video for you.
Are you ready to unlock your musical potential? Introducing the Special Music School, where dreams become melodies and talents soar. Discover your musical potential at the Special Music School. At the Special Music School, we believe that music has the power to transform lives.
So let's get started. The first thing we are going to do is that we are going to use the software in order to generate the character, the image we want to use. So the name of the software is PicsArt. If you need the software, just comment in the comment section below and say you need a software. So PicsArt, and if you have it, well, you can follow this prompt. Okay, I've been using PicsArt for many days now because I so much love it. So I'm going to generate a portrait of a, how will I put it, a portrait of a man. This is a very live tutorial, and there is going to be much more explanative, and that is why it's a bit long. So pay attention, please. So, a portrait of a man in a music class, background, standing to face the what should I say, the camera. Okay. Let us see what this one is gonna be. So I'm going to click on generate images. So it's going to load some images for me, and then I will have to see if I really like it. Well, the way you interpreted this is not what I actually envisage. Let me click on generate more images. Wow, these are nice, but this is not what I actually have to do. Let me check the last one. If not, I will have to do some tweaking and then generate something. Well, there are a lot of software that can actually, and even website that can do that for you, but this PicsArt, I love it so much, and you can also do some editing. So I want to generate another one. I think what I have to do right now is that, let me say, in a happy mood. Now this is a portrait of a man in a music class, background, standing to face the camera, and happy mood. So I'm going to click on generate image like I've done, and then I'm gonna see what is going to display. So yeah, it, and then I think I'm gonna click on show more results. Already click on show more results, and then these are some, well, I think I'm liking what I'm seeing here, but let me click on show more results, and then I think I'll be able to see what I actually needed. Well, I've not really seen. Let me scroll. Let me click. Okay, I generate more again. One thing about this is that you can begin to generate more in order to see what you really want. Okay, so that is one of the advantage of this software. Like I said before, if you want it for free, you can comment in the comment section below, like this video, and subscribe and share. All right, let me do some. I'm actually teaching you how to twerk. Okay, like I've seen what I want to use, but I still want you to know how to ask AI in order to give you a desired result. So let me say, let musical instrument be in the background. Let musical instrument be in the background. So here am I click on generate images, and let's see what is going to display. So these are it. Okay, I saved this. I love this, so I'm gonna click on saved. So here it is. These images I want to use. Now the next first thing is that we want to animate, that is, we want to make the image to talk. But first we have to do something. We have to use ChatGPT in order to write the script of what we want to actually do, at least the business I want to advertise. I need to make use of ChatGPT in order to do that. I don't want to start racking my brain and see, well, okay, what am I going to do? Well, ChatGPT is free. They have application, and also check this channel. You see another application that is, well, I cannot say much more better than ChatGPT. Just check it out. Okay, but I still love ChatGPT. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to write, my company is is training people. Oh, don't mind my people anyway, okay? My company is training people on how to play, on how to create, how to play rather, on how to play musical instrument. How to play musical instrument, okay? And I'm gonna say create. I'm going to say create a short short advert for it. The name of the company. That is what GPT can do for you. ChatGPT is the special music school. You see that this tutorial is more than just creating this video. It goes across how you can actually make use of this thing. So there are they. It's already it's already generating a script for me, and it's kind of long anyway, so I'm gonna say make it short. So let's see. Well, you still have some narrator here. What I'm just going to do is I'm going to just highlight some parts, because I can't use everything, because these words we're actually generating, we are not going to use another software in order to convert it to sound, and we will import the images, and we now animate it, okay? And after that we take it to a video editor, and then we add our caption, and we continue. So well, I'll be using what thing we have to do right now is that I just want to use WPS in order to, okay, let me check the what I really, okay, that's all. All right, so I've already copied, okay, and then the name of the website that we'll be using to make the images to talk is called D-ID, like you can see on the screen. Just search it on your phone, D-ID, and make sure your phone is in desktop mode. I've already logged in. You can easily log in with your with your email, and then you will have some time for free trial. So yeah, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to click on add image in order to import this image, the image that I generated from that PicsArt, and then it's going to load. And after that I'm going to, you can see it at the right side here, okay, can you see it? So I'm going to paste what I actually copy. I'm going to paste it there, and then I will change the voice, the AI voice that will be talking. I will change it to, I'm gonna change it to a guy, okay. I've changed it to a guy, and after changing it to a guy, I'm going to generate once I actually change it to a guy, okay. So I've changed the voice to a guy, and then I'm gonna click on generate video, and then the video will begin to generate. Well, one thing about this thing is calculating the credit, because once you sign up for free, there will be some credit that will be given to you, and if your credit is finished, you will have to upgrade. But there is different way in which you can use this software. This website, even for free, you can request for it at the comment section below, okay. I'm not going to tell you in this video. So already loading, and it's still loading. You wait for some time, please. If you have a question, consider to ask, because this is very, very important. Like this video. Now, yeah, it is. The video is actually ready, and then I can decide to play the video.
Are you ready to unlock your musical potential?
Before I download the video.
Introducing the Special Music School, where dreams become melodies and talents soar. Discover your musical potential at the Special Music School. At the Special Music School, we believe that music has the power to transform lives. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced musician, our team of dedicated instructors is here to guide you on your musical journey. Learn from accomplished instructors, embrace your unique style, and master the art of music. We will teach you how to play musical instruments such as keyboard, violin, trumpet, saxophone, trombone, flute, and more. Also, we will teach both the theory and practical of music.
So
join our vibrant community today to unlock your creativity. The Special Music School, where dreams become harmonies.
And after downloading, I think I need to play.
Are you ready to unlock your musical potential? Introducing the Special Music School, where dreams become melodies and talents soar. Discover your musical potential at the Special Music School. At the Special Music School, we believe that music has the power to transform lives. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced musician, our team of dedicated instructors is here to guide you on your musical journey. Learn from accomplished instructors, embrace your unique style, and master the art of music. We will teach you how to play musical instruments such as keyboard, violin, trumpet, saxophone, trombone, flute, and more. Also, we will teach both the theory and practical of music. Join our vibrant community today to unlock your creativity. The Special Music School, where dreams become harmonies.
So now what we are now going to do is that we actually need to now edit the image that we actually generated. So actually I'm going to go to google.com and I'm going to download musical instruments, okay? Because if you just use images alone, it will be boring, okay? And even I use sound for this advert, but because of copyright, so that is why I mute the background music. You can add background music in order to make it lively. So here am I am actually downloading the picture I'm going to use, okay? So you must learn how to do that, okay? So that is why I have to show you this. So and by the time you make use of Google finished, then we are going to use a software in order to edit our video, and the name of the software is called Capcut. You can check out the playlist on my channel and see how this Capcut, how it works. Very simple, and you can use it to edit any video on your phone, okay? So I am still downloading this. I think I need to fast forward it, but I told you this is a live tutorial and I have to show you what you really needed, okay? So don't worry about the copyright here. It's free, you can easily download them. So I think I'm done with download. By the time I download finish, you now go to the Capcut. If you don't have Capcut editor, just go to Play Store and install the Capcut. Just install the Capcut absolutely free. So yeah, all you have to do is that it's going to show this. Just click on new project, and then by the time you click on new project,
are you ready to unlock your musical potential?
Generated,
introducing the Special Music School.
Okay, so
Are you
Just
ready
by
to
the time
unlock
you
your
click on it, this is a video I
musical potential?
generated, and here is it. Okay, so the very first thing we are gonna do is that we want to bring in caption is very important. Caption is very important. If you don't have this sound, your caption, your subtitle is very important. So let me quickly show you how you can input caption. Just click on text and then click on auto caption. Make sure you are connected to the internet, and then you click on start. So once you click on start, it will begin to generate a caption for you. As it got the 100, boom, you're gonna see that the caption would have been generated. You can see that this CapCut is very powerful. If you want to know how to use the betterment of this CapCut, well, you can
Introducing the Special Music
show
School, where
out.
dreams
So
become melodies and
here it is. You check it out and see whether your destiny is good. I mean, whether your it is correct. Just check out something and then you edit them out. So what I'm gonna do now is that I want to click on effect, and then the way, well, one
unlock
thing
your
about
musical
this thing is
potential.
that for this you
Introducing the
don't need a
Special Music
fancy
School, where
effect.
dreams become
You
melodies
don't
and
need a
talents
fancy
soar.
effect. Just
Discover
leave
your
it
musical
like that.
potential at the
Okay,
Special Music
and you
School.
play.
At the Special Music School,
Can you
are
see?
you ready to unlock your musical potential? Introducing the Special Music School, where dreams become melodies and talents soar. Discover your musical potential at the Special Music School. At the Special Music School, we believe that music has the power to transform lives. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced musician, our team of dedicated instructors is here to guide you on your musical journey. Learn from accomplished instructors, embrace your unique style, and master the art of music. We will teach you how to play musical instruments such as keyboard, violin, trumpet, saxophone, trombone, flute, and more. Also, we will teach both the theory and practical of music. Join our vibrant community today to unlock your creativity. The Special Music School, where dreams become harmonies.